Hello, my name is Rebecca and I'm from the Tempe Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to access Hoopla on our library website. For those of you who are not aware, Hoopla is an online platform where you can lend ebooks, movies, TV shows, and audiobooks. It's available both on a desktop computer, like I will be showing you today, and also as an app for a mobile device or tablet. It's also free for all library users who have a library card. First things first, in order to access Hoopla, we're going to go to the library website at www.tempepubliclibrary.org. From there, we're going to go to Digital Library, and we're going to go to Databases A through Z. Since it's an ABC order, we're going to scroll down until we get to Hoopla. Here we go. If you've never used Hoopla before, the home page is going to look something like this. In order to create an account, we're going to go ahead and click Get Started Today. Here it's just going to ask you for some information. Today I'll be signing up SpongeBob SquarePants for an account. Then you can choose whatever password you would like. And then we're going to go ahead and agree. All right, here we're going to search for Tempe Public Library, so go ahead and type it into the box. And there we are. So we'll go ahead and click that. We're going to scroll down and we're going to click Next. Here it's going to ask for your library card number. Your library card number is going to be that long number underneath the barcode on your card. So we'll go ahead and type his in here. And then your PIN is going to be whatever the last four of your phone number is. At least that's usually the default. It could be something else if you decided to change it. All right, so once that information is filled out, we're going to go ahead and sign me up. Takes a second to load. All right, this is what the home screen of Hoopla is going to look like. As you can see, it's similar to that of other services. So if we scroll down, it'll give you recommended titles, and you can kind of browse from there. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to borrow a movie, but you can also check out audiobooks, comics, and ebooks for 21 days. You can have music for 7 days. TV shows that you can borrow per episode, you can have up to 2 to 3 days, and movies, as I'm going to be doing here, again, 2 to 3 days. And also right now, with the library being closed, you can have up to 12 titles. So let's go ahead and we're going to scroll down. So I'll just go with some of these that are recommended. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do Chocolat. All right, this is what it's going to look like when you click on a title. If you find a title you like, you're going to click borrow. If not, you can go ahead and browse again. So I'm going to go here, browse, and we're going to do movies. All right, here's some more. This will have more titles for you. So as I said, you can browse and kind of pick. So we'll go ahead and we'll get The Founder. All right, once you find a movie you liked, like I said, you're going to click borrow. Here it's going to tell you what it's available for. So this specific title, The Founder, is available for 2 days. If you decide you want to do it, you're going to go ahead and click borrow. What's nice about Hoopla is that it'll automatically check in the movies, so you won't have to worry about coming back in and clicking return. It'll automatically put them back on Hoopla. So that's how you do a movie. You can also, Hoopla also has a Hoopla Kids feature. So here in the upper right-hand side where it says Kids, we're going to click on that. And then let's say we want to find a kids movie, we're going to go ahead and do movies again. So what Hoopla Kids does is it's kind of like a Hoopla specifically for kids, so it only has kids content. It's not going to have titles like the Founder like we checked out already, or Chocolat, or some of the other titles you saw, it's going to have ones that are just specifically for kids. So here we have some kids movies. So let's go ahead and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go and check out Ella Enchanted. We're going to go borrow. And here again, Ella Enchanted, other than or contrary to the Founder, is available for 3 days after you borrow it. So we're going to borrow this. And down here, it's going to say you can now enjoy this title through Sunday, May 10th. As I said, it automatically returns the items, so you won't have to worry about checking on them. That's how you'd borrow movies. Another feature that you can do for Hoopla is you can browse music. So let's try this. All right, so since I'm in Hoopla Kids mode, as you can tell by the check mark, I'm only getting kids soundtracks. So let's go ahead and we're going to check out Disney Magical Musical Passport. We're going to do borrow. And again, here we go. The title is available for 7 days after you borrow it, and you can stream it and download it. Borrow title. All right, and you'll be able to see if you, for whatever reason, you finish the movie or music early, you can always do return now, and it's going to let you know that you're returning it. What this means is since you only have 12 borrows a month, returning one isn't going to give you that space back. So since I have the Founder and Ella Enchanted also checked out, even though I'm returning this CD, I'm still only going to have a few borrows left. So we're going to click OK. So that'll be music. So in order to find what you've checked out, you're going to go to My Hoopla. And then here you'll see what you have currently borrowed. So like I said, I can only have 9 more out just because I already checked out 3. So here's Ella Enchanted. So since we're on kids mode, I can't see the Founder, but if I were to just select kids mode, the Founder will show up. So as you can see, I have the Founder and Ella Enchanted under my name with 9 borrows left. Thank you for watching this video on how to use Hoopla. Have a good rest of your day.